We had a hand in doing some rock here in this frog exhibit.
So what is happening now? Now you start doing what?
See some of the rocks over there. This rock here. See here as well. It comes down there into a pond at the bottom, all precast and brought in. And you leave the frog exhibit and go out through this cave that we made. All, as I said, precast and brought in and customized to fit in here like a cave, like a natural cave. And then goes into this exhibit here. This is the ecosystem, all made with molds of rocks with fiberglass. Leave the ecosystem and go to the kelp tank that we also had a hand in when the aquarium was first built, putting all these rocks in. You see the rocks inside there, all the same, because it's more than 15 years ago it's grown seaweed over it. Go to the shark tank over there. Also in the middle of that is another rock feature that was built when the aquarium was first built. You see the rocks at the bottom there.